Hi viewers, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Today we will discuss about another platform of Forex with you. To trade in Forex, we have to have an account with the broker, and the broker gives us the ID and server name of a platform that we choose. Usually we choose MT4 and MT5. But in addition to this, there are some other trading platforms that many may know and many may not know. All the platforms have some good aspects and some special facilities, so the one who like the facilities keep an account of it. But recently we have uploaded a video with such a platform, WebTrader. In that video we have discussed the WebTrader platform in details, and today we will discuss one such platform. This is cTrader. That is, we will discuss in details its advantage, disadvantage, facilities, or why you will use it. After listening to the features of this free platform, you can trade in any one of your choice. That means you will trade whatever you like or whatever it seems suitable for you. Each one has some special qualities. So watch the video patiently till the end. And for those who want to watch broker related video, please watch this playlist. Here you will find awesome videos related to broker house. And I will request the well-wisher of FOREX BD, please subscribe FOREX BD's another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you. And those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. First of all, let me explain to you the difference between cTrader and MetaTrader platform. MetaTrader platform is MT4 and MT5, and if for some reason you can't log in to MT4 or MT5 software, then you can trade through browser, and this is called WebTrader. So the browser version of MT4 software is MT4 WebTrader, and the browser version of MT5 is MT5 WebTrader. As a trading platform, there are another trading platform called cTrader. So there is a software version of cTrader and there is also a web version. Now you can choose MT4 or MT5, or if you want you can choose cTrader. So it's totally depends on you. You will have the opportunity to do web trading with whatever you choose. These are the platform features. Let's discuss how to open this account. Many brokers give advantage of the cTrader platform, especially IC markets. Here you will find this platform. Many people may not have an account here, and many people may not be able to verify the account. Those who have all this problem must follow this playlist of FOREX BD. Here are all the details given. To trade here, first of all, to create cTrader ID, you have to log in IC Markets website. Then you will see an option called download. Click here. After clicking, a new page will come up. Then scroll down and you will see an option called cTrader. Here the platform is built separately for each device. For example, if you want to use the cTrader software for a laptop, then click on the first option, and the next option is web trading. Then the platform has been made differently for mobile or iPhone, everything. So today we will show you by downloading the software and logging in. Click here, and then clicking on the download option will download your platform. Then you need to create an account. That is, our platform is downloaded, then we need to create an account. You have to scroll up and click on the option of this account name. Then scroll down again, click on the option, then a new page will open. Here you can see cTrader logo, and there are an option that is open demo account. So click on this option, you will get a new page, and the following option you have to fill up as you like. First you have to select cTrader, then click on the proceed option. Your account will be opened and you will get the account details in your email. Moreover, if you come here and click on this option, it will show your account number and password. Then you can log in using these two things while logging in. The great advantage of this platform is that it's very easy to log in here. This means that there is no server. You can only log in with ID and password, which will be emailed to you and you can see them here. This platform will be convenient for many people who don't understand the server name. After giving the ID and password, our software is open. Here you can see that everything is arranged in a very nice way. On the other hand, there is the option currency. Numerous currency are given here from the beginning. In many cases, you have to add them manually in MT4 or MT5. And many are regularly asking the FOREX BD official team how to get Forex signal. The Forex BD team is now working with a group where several group admins provide the signal. If you want, you must first see the free signal, understood, then join. Hopefully all Forex traders have already understood the importance of Forex BD's 10 pips, 20 pips SL based signal. Since many group admin traders are providing the signal, I would personally request you to apply less SL signal. Forex BD only work in this group, not the owner of this group. So any mistake in future, Forex BD is not responsible in any way. So be sure to check the free signal first. If you like, then join and work on low SL based signal. Moreover, there are search options here. You can search the currency in a more new way. If you double click on just currency with or without searching, it will open in your chart. Moreover, if you want to enlarge the chart, click here to enlarge it. Then your chart will be large. And next to that, you can see different tools for zooming and zoom out. Then this is where you will find a different type of indicator for your analysis. So here I am setting the moving average. Just like this, you can set up any indicator. First, find your indicator, then click over it. That will be open in your chart. Then click this option OK, then it will be shown in your chart. You can also change the chart color. This is how you can change the color. And here you can trade in different type of time frame. If you click on this option, you will get many time frame. From here you can trade in the time frame of your choice, and you can get everything else on the right side, such as trend line, horizontal line, vertical line. Everything is given, and it's very easy to calculate pips here because you don't have to so many calculation here. Like you click on this option called crosshair, then put it on one end and move it to the other end where you are going to do pips calculation. So here you can see there are an option called pips, as it says 47.1 pips, which means the market has made 47.1 pips movement, which we can say 47 pips. So it's very easy to do this calculation here. There are more benefit here, such as you can take order very easily. As before, we had to do a lot of calculation to set up SL and TP, and we have to think about how many pips we have set up. But here you can set up by looking at the pips when ordering. Suppose I will buy a order, so I will first click on the buy option. Then you can see the lot size is written here 0.01 pips. So I will keep it, and if you want, you can increase by clicking here. To set up stop loss, first you have to tick the mark here. So I ticked the mark. Then if you want to take 10 pips SL, then write or set up 10 pips here. Pips is written here, so the first option is pips, or you can set up by looking at the price if you want, as we set up in mobile trading. Moreover, you can set up according to the balance. For example, you can select here what percentage of balance will be lost or what percentage of the balance will be taken. You can set up SL and TP by selecting profit. You can take $2 loss or $2 profit in SL and TP option. That means you can do whatever you want by setting up SL and TP, and when you select one, the rest will automatically change accordingly. Like I am taking more pips here and my loss is also increasing. Similarly, you can take profit. So tick mark here according to SL. Maintain the risk ratio, which means if you have 10 pips SL, you will get 10 pips TP here. Then click on the order here. Your order will open, which will show in this place, as you can see. As a big advantage here is that you can do fundamental analysis for the news sitting here. For example, if you click on this option in the name of this calendar, then you will see all the news. If you set the time in this place according to your country, then you can see the news time from here without having to go anywhere. Moreover, how much time is left for the news release to be shown here again. And this is the impact, that is the potential signal of how much impact the news will have given here. If the effect of the news is more likely to have, then here 3 spots will show red, and if less, it will show 1 or 2. So viewers, this is our today's video. In this video, we have tried to highlight everything of a platform. We just put it in front of you, and you will decide which is the best for you by watching this video, as there are many who don't go to different site for laziness and then they don't do fundamental analysis. So if you want, you can create account in cTrader and you will get this benefit. So viewers, this is our video, and before finishing the video, I would like to say, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us us to make more awesome videos for you. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye. Tata.